Hey, Mr. G, and we're going to go over a cool E minor pentatonic scale slash lick. It's really a scale, but it sounds like a lick. If you're playing lead or something, you can throw this in there and it sounds real cool. If I were to play the E minor pentatonic scale, this is kind of what it sounds like and looks like. Or if I were to play the first shape of that scale, and this is what it looks like. And you can end it there or end it on a G. So I'll play those notes: E, G, A, B, D, E, G, A, B, D, E, G, A, B, D, E. So let's break this down. The first thing I'm going to do is play that open E. Then I'm going to take my index finger and play that 6th string 3rd fret, play that G. I'll slide that note up to the 5th fret of the 6th string. Again, with my index finger, I'll play that A. Then I'm going to place my ring finger on the 7th fret of the 6th string to play that B. Then I'm going to place my index finger on the 5th fret of the 5th string to play that D. I'll slide that up to the 7th fret of the 5th string to play that E. On the 10th fret of the 5th string with my little finger, I'll play that G. On the 7th fret, the 4th string, with my index finger, I'll play that A. And then I'm going to slide that up 2 frets to the B. So my index finger is now on the 9th fret of the 4th string, playing that B. Then my little finger is on the 12th fret of the 4th string, playing that D. Then my index finger, I'm going to go down to the 3rd string, 9th fret, and I'm going to play that E. Then I'm going to slide that index finger up to the 3rd string, 12th fret, to play that G. Then I'm going to place my ring finger on the 14th fret of the 3rd string to play that A. Then I'm going to place my index finger on the 2nd string, 12th fret, to play that B. I'll slide that index finger up to the 15th fret of the 2nd string to play that D. And I'll end it on the E with my ring finger on the 17th fret. So like this, kind of slowly. So that's a real fun E minor pentatonic scale walk up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Keep on jamming.